eForms Honest Review, Watch Before Using. In this video, we're diving into an honest review of eForms, an online platform designed for creating legal forms with ease. eForms offers a wide range of legal documents, from rental agreements and business contracts to wills and power of attorney forms. It's primarily designed for individuals, small business owners, landlords, and anyone looking to streamline their legal paperwork without hiring a lawyer. One of the standout features is its extensive library of templates that cover a broad spectrum of legal needs, making it a versatile tool for both personal and professional use. You can customize these forms easily by filling in details online, and in most cases, you'll have a ready-to-use legal document in minutes. For usability, eForms really delivers with an intuitive user interface. Navigating the site is simple, even for first-timers. There's also a handy search function that lets you quickly find the document you need. The platform provides state-specific forms, which is crucial for ensuring your documents comply with local laws. One feature I appreciate is the free option for certain documents, but bear in mind that many of the most critical forms do require a subscription or one-time payment. Now, is eForms worth it? For the price, it's much cheaper than hiring a lawyer, especially if you only need a few simple documents. However, if you're dealing with more complex legal issues, you might still need to consult an attorney to ensure everything is legally sound. That said, for straightforward tasks like rental agreements, bill of sale, or non-disclosure agreements, eForms is a great, cost-effective solution. In conclusion, eForms is perfect for anyone looking to quickly draft legally sound documents without the hassle or expense of a lawyer. Just make sure to double-check the details if your situation is complex. If you're looking for an affordable and efficient legal forms platform, eForms is a solid choice, but don't rely on it for complex legal situations.